and welcome to Tan's Lego and Brick Build. Today I'll show you how to make this fidget. You press one button, the other goes up. Same on the other one. Let's get started. So first, you want a 6x8 plate with 2 tiles just in the middle. And then you're gonna just want to build like one small wall around it, 1 brick high. Just kind of surrounding it like that. And like just do that a couple of times. So like once you reach about like two bricks high, then now you can start building the mechanism. So get a 2x4 plate and 2 of these slope pieces in any colour, doesn't really matter. Now just plop it in, and since you put tiles down, it like moves freely. Now just build up like one more layer. And now you're nearly done. So now you're just going to need a 2x4 and just plonk in the middle. Now just surround everything with a few 1x6 bricks, like that. And now just cover these gaps with 1x2s. So now that you've got this box, you're going to need the mechanism, as in the buttons. So get 3 2x2s and just stack them up like this. And get a slope and just attach it. This slope is the same as that one. And now when you put it in, this slope will hit the other slope. And if you duplicate it, you need to duplicate it, and now you have to. But right now the studs don't look that great. So let's tile it off. That looks much better and smoother. Now you finish your fidget, and now you're ready for endless fidgeting. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and share. Bye!